You ready?
I'm ready.
It's been a while. But guys, we're making Bow Wow brownies. Today we're doing, obviously, I had to have the shirt on. Oh wait, hold on. Hey, from book to crook. This is right? No? So we're shooting a video for the Snoop Dogg. I'm gonna do a Snoop Dogg playlist because that's my favorite everything. Shout out to my boy. Hold on. But look, so we're baking today. We're baking. I'm not really a fan of brownies. I fuck with them, but I'm not going crazy because it's too much chocolate. Like, look at how much chocolate I got. Like, I thought I was gonna be using cocoa powder. Hey, Snoop Dogg, you kind of eating up my cookie fun. All right, we're gonna start this out because he said to preheat the oven at 325. Ben did that. Electric bill just went up. All right, we're gonna take this hat off too. Let's get it cracking. Okay. Wait, no gangbanging. Okay, listen, I'm from the streets. I have the rights. Nope. 2/3 a cup of flour. That sounds like a little bit. It's like for a singular brownie or some shit. Whatever. Listen, I'm listening to what it says. Okay. Boom. There's no way. Half a teaspoon of salt. That's a lot. Boom. And then 1/4 of baking soda. Just in case. Alright, it's just dust. It is what it is. Don't do that. Don't do that. You got when you bake, you have to do to the exact measurements. I'm a little off with that one. Which together, right? Well, not they. He said. Snoop Dogg said this. Can I get a woo? Motherfucker, Right. My bad, I'm gonna stop being cringy. I can't help myself. In a medium saucepan over medium heat, combine the sugar, butter, and milk. So we gotta do that. We got a new, we got a new shit in the kitchen. We ain't only get new cameras, we got new equipment. Don't play. I'm out here. This is the one, not the two. I got the top tier.
Seems like you don't know what you're doing.
I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, this shit heating up. Hold on. That shit's smoking. Alright. 1, 2. You gotta bring it to a boil, which is getting soon. Bruh. I don't know what the fuck was going on. Snoop know damn well he be using box brownies. Was it Duncan Hines? Cup mug? Yeah. Alright, so now it asks for me to put half a cup. It says 1.5 cups of the chocolate in here. So what I'm gonna do is take this half cup, right? Fill this hoe up. Sheet. Yeah, so that's 1. This is 2. That's 1 cup. I had to mix up the chocolate morsels between milk chocolate and dark chocolate because I didn't have enough. Add the eggs to the chocolate. Stir until blended and smooth. Okay. Don't play. One hand crack. I'm really nice. All right. So now we need a teaspoon of vanilla. Let me be close. Gradually add the flour mixture. You know what? This makes sense though. I don't know. Maybe I'm just too used to making cookies and shit. So like brownies is like more fucking chocolate and fucking butter and shit than fucking actual like flour. I did make brownies once, that one time. These right here. Those are some ube brownies. If y'all want to see me do a video on those, I called them Ubisoft brownies because they were purple. They were not good. Not because I made them. I don't know, it was fudgy, but it was like bitter. Very bitter because of the espresso chips. I think I got it to the perfect consistency. I'm gonna do a giveaway. I'm gonna do 2 book giveaways for this series. I don't know when. I'm gonna get the books. One giveaway with the funniest comment on one of the videos, and then I'll say you gotta post an emoji, and whoever posts the emoji, I'll enter them into the raffle, and then I'll do it on live stream. I'll do the picking for that person or whatever. Shout out to something for the giveaway I did. I might get you a book. All right, I got you a book. Hey, send me an Addy when you see this video.
Omar can't enter in either because he always win raffles.
Omar, you can't partake.
And he always had a funny comment.
He got a funny comment a lot of the times. I'm gonna break his fucking neck. Hey, I got a battle scarred fucking pan. That shit been through a lot. A lot of mac and cheese. A lot of ziti. All right, so the last thing is saying to add this to the top. It's a lot of fucking this is like legit. That's what it says.
Bro, you going crazy.
How am I going crazy? That's what the fucking recipe asked for. Bro, ain't no fucking...
Snoop got diabetes, don't he?
Bruh. Shit, if he don't, he just might after eating this hoe. Golly. What the fuck? So we're gonna put this in the oven now. I'm gonna see you guys in 30. So we're back, right? We waited the 30 minutes and then, we let it cool on the cooling rack. All right, so I'm gonna cut into this bad bitch. It says it serves 6. You taking this home, I'm just cut out a little corner, a little sliver. Obviously, like most people, gotta get you a corner piece. You gotta have French vanilla, No Brandon. Let's get some. I bought this for this. Well, I bought this for something else, y'all gonna see. All right, let's get a scoop, a nice scoop. Hell yeah. I like ice cream. But I'm on a diet, so half a scoop. Let's see what this tastes like, right? Like I said, I fuck with brownies, but I'm not really a brownie fan like that. So I'll let you know how this is. Snoop, don't let me down. I mean, it looks like a brownie, right? Very. That's why I like brownies. That motherfucker stop you when you. That's why he added. Use your favorite ice cream to fucking lubricate this goddamn thick mess. See, that's good. It's good. If I was to rate this, I give it like a 9. It's good. It's just, brownies are thick. Brownies are real fucking thick. I forgot about that. I'm not used to cake and shit like that. Brownies are good though. This shit good. Your boy dieting. I've been eating good. This is my little cheat day. Cheat weekend, no? Don't ask. Don't play. Guys, I wanted to bring back this series. Obviously I had another video recorded a while back, a long time ago, but that video fucked up. So I'm bringing this series back. I also wanted to bring in other celebrity chef books and shit like that. If you guys did want to see it, let me know. If you guys have some suggestions, let me know. Y'all not gonna let me know anyway. But for future, hopefully y'all let me know. I got some other shit locked in. Guys, we will be releasing a lot of content, hopefully. If not, hit me up. Hit me up. Let me know that I'm doing something wrong. Alright? With that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Wait. Put me next to me doing the other one from the catch y'all.